kein in gabung. Dan Majol ini yang lebih dari Kamolol keel lagi Jeramman, koba ini dengan koba dan Kajeramman. Ini akan ini. Bentuk jual ia ayo ak ini dia terlalu lagi jangan berbangun malu kalau begini aja cak
Kamolol juga itu ini naurut doa mitongkan Kamolol yukin bini dia kein raar gitu Republic of China Taiwan Arab Majuro ini Republic of the Marshall Islands Arab Majuro Ceremonial benaurut ben gay en kemarudum bagi Kamolol kari kemarudum bagi kaciri tongkol Kajeramman kemarudum bagi haji wajangan kue dan kejeramman mau kebenaran kali berkelim cino ini dia hitam karena lain orang jangan naruh raur kebenin dia tu kein be yang lain raur dengan kelu lain kein perjuangan Kajeramman ini Kajeramman breathing in outwards roar itu bikin mana kamu rayuan kamu menteri ini cari dengan menjadi monon
Kamolol ada berkali nano cino ada net rumah dari lu ini juga kerja coba mainan penelitian project itu mantap video which you jerbal
boleh sih ini jauh kenalan orang karena orang Kamolol ada dalam pengalaman ini yang kau deh presiden Republik yang macam presiden kau Minis perubahan kayak apa? Saya dah tahu. Iro ada di rumah ni loy. Iro di mana bro? Ibu jadi perubahan ini belakang mana? Jadi perubahan tu belum ada koran. Lalu saya boleh nina nanti ya. Yang awal iro orang ini. Kita awal kene Minister of Justice, Immigration and Labor, Honorable K.J. Commissioner raar chicken Jeramman, Commissioner George Alan. Clear, way in one mile who are Jim, katan Majol place to Babini, and after the kitchen division and fire and rescue, im just give it up Kajeramman one equally in row, im there the work of my little lady. Rain, Marong Grave of Lare, Kajeramman and fire truck in row, im right project in Jiban, Arab Majol. Majuro para no Ebeye by. Ilawan Kajeramman wagi tebami kanan peran Kamolol keel mula keel lagi rei mahal kuair nganai begini narbi Majol kuen lamuan pun ho nan pun yang peran kopre jangan Allah mengenai kerja jual ini wagi dah jenuh plan ho air camlo pun 2019 jen kecil macam keel yo cimeng plan dan ROC one ROC capital projects yang ngana ramai agar barang pajak wagi penjualan company lo Taiwan dan firework company limited company le cuman company mana bagai wagi ini agar penjualnya ngana company wagi ibadat izin manajer lagi ibarat ini ada masalah peristiwa mana kalau jualan kamu ni lah ngan kiri dah iman raar jiban ngan dalam pokok Jeramman ini lah ngan armijin Majol ilo armar one malam in Kajeramman maru ini nanti berjadi fire in rescue ngan jerbal bo air biji in jerbal bo paling Jeramman nanti berjadi fire in rescue dan wagi dah jiban pokok kamu ni jerbal bo ngan armijin Majol orang
Komol kemudian awam jalan ini. Jadi tu dia kan orang jadi apa kein. Kami nak belajar mengenai ini. Honorable Minister of Justice, yang KP Minister Human Israel dan delivery Minister.
Morning, jerbal. Dengan begini mai, Kamolol Cemerot jalan, yang Kamolol begini Cemerot, begini Cemerot pada nucap dengan kati jawab, kerana ni Kajeramman, nang orang kerana Kajeramman ini dari sepuluh ni, nang Kamolol, alkile, Excellency President, the First Lady, the koba dari sepuluh ni. And the Chief Justice, and the Honorable Minister Ebeye and Public Work, but I know the Excellency Ambassador Sao. Thank you, and on behalf of Excellency President and the government of the Marshall Islands and the people, thank you very much. I am sorry that I'm here as a Minister of Health, but not the Minister of Justice. And Minister Kesai called me earlier. He asked me to come because he's unable to join us. And I was thinking why he sent me here. But apparently health and fire department are really connected. Because the only place you can connect after something disaster happens is Ministry of Health. So that's why I'm here. And I've seen a number of fires over the years since I was young, starting with Labon, the one that so many going back. I've seen almost all of them with my own eyes. And growing up, and the last one, the one at the power plant, that one was really scary for me because it was near the center of the most important utility center where the fuel, the power plant of the country. And since that time, and I remember last term when we were president and I were on the senator, this was one of our most common questions, is the fire charge. And today, it's a happy day and it's a blessed day for Marshall Islands, especially the risk of preventing and saving people is really upgrading. And I thank on behalf of President and thank the Republic of China, Taiwan, and of course, in simple terms, true friends really they really put their assistance and their help where it matters. And fire department doesn't often happen, but if it happens, the risk profile of the country is very in danger because it can go either way. And that's why this day is really an important day and a very blessed day, as I mentioned earlier, for the government, because we feel safer now. And I know as a Minister of Health, I feel very comfortable now, knowing that with this kind of tool that was given, and I don't recall seeing two at one time, but for me, it shows our commitment and our trust between the friendship of the martial arts and Taiwan, and for that we're very grateful. Ambassador, please convey on behalf of Minister of Justice, Honorable Kesai, and the President, and all of us, martial law and our sincere gratitude and humbleness for these generous tools that we can use for the safety and for the livelihood of our people in the martial arts. So those are the brief words I want to bring on behalf of Minister Lord once again, and this one is really for you. And I can say for you, all the firemen and the public safety, you are responsible for the life of the people when things like this is here. When the longevity, the use of this one is with you. The care of this one for its use, the effectiveness of the use is with you. So it's just tool, but when it comes to the operation, everything, it's the human resource. It's you. So on behalf of the cabinet and on behalf of all of us, we give you our most trusted confidence that you will take care of these important tools, fire trucks, on behalf of the people of the martial arts and on behalf of the country, so that we can use them for its purpose and we can use them for the good and the healthy and better life of the Army. Pagana kanan ko kayo aksyon natin dengan Kamolol Minister Pile Commissioner Raya kalau Jeramman aksyon kanan luar teman berkenaan dengan perlindungan. Parano kile all bro no dan every part Commissioner aksyon all tiap romer apa kanan. Kucunok tiap. There's only one government. In government of the day, government yang bro, and Excellency President Kamolol ba ito ba? Terus ministry ini karam sama orang pernah kita lagi cedering wan mawa cedering tabrak pralat ini kami dulu ini kita berapa hari an kein kami orang tabrak tak cedera kami kada kami dulu dan President of Cabinet all harus dilalui tada dulu ministry lagi dulu dah tu jam kerja berapa yang mana yang kemana ini jadi apa and children go to send Kumagamon, God bless and thank you. And God bless the Republic of the Martial Islands. And of course, our ambassador and the Republic of China. And you know, thank you so much.
Komol, Mr. Minister, sigmutok cawlongan na program ini di Jeponi, ya, na orang pada karena itu juga pada orang tarai jadi topi yang benar kader ini orang benar orang serba jino monitor begini baik ini orang kader kita udah jadi iman kursi dan chief minister kader tiba-tiba man ni kalau kerja buat sendiri itu jadi energi saja kerja
Umat.
kan tôi bán hoa cái vậy anh chiếu
Itu boleh ngapain?
chiếu tôi đi cà phê hoa cái
Mana yang kerja? Yoga lab.
Siapa itu kayak tadi sign?
Charleston.
Ready?
Juan. Roll.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
ഞാനും ബെൽബിനിൻ്റെതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും റാലിയൊക്കെ വെച്ചു ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ മതി ചിലർത്തോളെങ്കിൽ പാർട്ടികാർക്ക് ഇന്ത്യ വൈനാം യുക്രൈൻ ചീസ് എങ്ങനെ നിവാരണത്തോടെ പ്രഭാവം ബെൽബിനിൻ്റെതൊക്കെയും Kajeramman and Jeramman and the other way fire to one Majuro and one preaching and our Kein rescue operation on and Kajeramman and the Maya I was out of the game in Jeramman and I'm little Kajeramman can out of the gear Ceremonial Kamolol, and then Kamolol.